Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your Notion workspace. If you want to create a backup of your workspace, move your content into another tool, or simply keep an offline copy of your pages, exporting your Notion workspace is a very useful feature. The process is straightforward, and once you know where to look, it only takes a few moments to set up. To begin, open Notion and look to the left-hand sidebar. From there, click on Settings and Members. If you are using the web version, this may simply appear as Settings. This is where Notion stores your workspace-wide options, including export controls. Once you are inside the Settings area, look under the Workspace section and click on General. This tab contains the broader settings for your workspace, so it's the right place to access export tools. Next, scroll all the way down until you find the Export Content section. In that area, click Export All Workspace Content. This tells Notion that you want to export everything in the workspace, rather than just a single page. After that, you'll need to choose your preferred export format. Notion gives you a few options, and the best one depends on how you plan to use the exported files. Markdown and CSV is a good choice if you want to move written content into other writing tools or take database information into spreadsheet software. HTML is ideal if you want to browse your exported pages offline in a web browser with a more interactive layout. PDF is also an option, but it's only available on paid Notion Business or Enterprise plans. Once you've selected the format, review the available toggles. You can choose whether to include images and other media in the export, which is helpful if you want a more complete backup. You can also decide whether to keep subimages organized in nested folders. That option can make the exported content easier to navigate, especially if your workspace contains a lot of structured pages. When everything looks right, click the blue Export button. At that point, Notion will begin preparing your workspace export. You don't need to keep the app open while this happens, so feel free to close Notion if you want. In a short while, you'll receive an email with a link to download your exported zip folder. That's all there is to it. Once the zip file arrives, you can save it somewhere secure and use it whenever you need access to your exported Notion content.